Hi everyone, decided to do a really quick video showing how to remove these top two covers. I think I see enough questions about it on the online forums that might be easier just to show you guys how to do it in general. So let's cut to the chase and get started right away here. So these two top panels, this one and this one, are held down by two screws. I've already taken mine out. I just leave it out. There's no point in having it in, as these panels won't be going anywhere. So there's one right here all the way in the back here, and one right here. I believe they're the hex screws. Yeah, I think those were it, if I'm not mistaken. So one of the hex Allen wrenches that come with your set, with your little toolbox that they give you, will have the tool to remove this. So you take both screws, one on each side. There's one. Where is it? Is that it? There's that. There's this one. Sorry. And then I believe it's yeah, it's back there somewhere. But yeah, I've removed mine already. The next thing to remove is the little LED clip here. I found that when the first time I tried to remove it, the super glue was actually gluing this thing down. So I took a pair of needle nose pliers, like so, and just very gently and carefully took it out. So now it's very easy to, I guess I still have to use the thing. Oh, see, it's much easier now than before to take it out. Then after the two screws are out, 1, 2, you have this out. Then in the inside, I don't know if you can see it, but here. There's a sorry about this. A shaky video. I know no people don't like shaky videos in general. Let me get a flashlight in here. You'll see right here there's a little clip. That little white thing right there. Oh, focus camera, but whatever. The white thing up there, there's one right on this side, and then there's one on the other side up there too. So what you want to do is just kind of push on this metal thing as you lift up on each side of the cover. So push on this, lift up this side first, and then push on that side, and then lift up this. So that's what we're gonna do at the moment. Can I set my camera here? I'm not gonna do this. Apologies, this is not very well set up right now. I'll come back. I actually touched some of the grease and my hands are all greasy right now. I'll be back with the setup. All right, coming at you with this side of view. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push on this side of the wall of the machine as I lift up on the top. Where's that clip? The clip is right here. So I'm gonna push it outwards, and I'm gonna lift up right there. So now this side actually came out, but if this tab right here were stuck, I would push on it and lift it out too. So there we go. That comes out like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Let's see if I can turn this tripod around on this side. So we're gonna do it on this side. Okay. Let's find some stable ground here. Sorry, people. Okay, hopefully you can see it here. So on this side it's a little bit different because you have the power button. Make sure I'm off here. Power button here. Oh, sorry. Power button here, which has a connection here, and some sort of connection on the back that you have to take off too. So it's just a clip with a little hook on this. So you want to press on the hook and then pull down to release. It should come off really easily. Move the laser head away. There's this clip with also the top clip has a push down clip. Push down on the clip, remove the bottom. So now this thing is just free. So we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. We're going to push on the wall so that the tab gets loose. Oh wait, let's remove the LEDs first. Okay, LED clip off. Ironically, this side wasn't really as glued in as this side on the first try. So push on the wall. I don't know why I made this so hard. Oh, there you go. I guess pushing on one side of the wall allows it to release. So what you'll see here, my tabs are actually broken at the moment because I don't know if you can see it, it broke. There used to be a piece that spans the bridge here. Oh, like this. Right here, if you can see it. Right here. So you want to push this metal knob here away from the clip so that it can release from here. And that's pretty much it. You'll need to do this to service the machine at any point or clean the machine. Otherwise you can't reach in here. I mean, if your power supply blows, you'll need to replace that, and you have to remove this piece too. So this is very frequent that you have to do this. I would leave the screws off again. If I were you, screw back here, screw here. Yeah, until the next video. Hopefully this one was helpful in general. Maybe I'll post some of these really quick, like really quick maintenance videos in general. I know GC has them up somewhere. I just don't know where at the moment. Yeah. Okay, until next time. Oops, coming back. Forgot to record how you actually put it back in. So obviously it's just a reverse process. I'm gonna push back out on the tabs, drop these panels in as they, right now it's not gonna go in. This side is obviously gonna go in, but this side is not because of those two tabs here and here. So what I'm gonna do is push out the machine casing a little bit again, and then just resettle these back in. Make sure when you're putting this back in, you are reconnecting the cables. Where's it? So you got one cable right here, and then this other cable right here. Make sure you're connecting it back up, this one back up, and this one back up, and also the LEDs. If you want your lights, make sure you connect that and that. Again, I leave my screws off because I'm cleaning the machine often or tinkering in here. And that's fine in my opinion, because you're not really, you're not doing anything that would really rip these off purposefully, or not purposely, on accident, basically. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video.